In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Google Maps voice. If you use Google Maps for directions but prefer silence, or want to keep your music and podcasts uninterrupted, muting the voice guidance is quick and reversible. Here's how to do it on your phone, step by step. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Make sure you're in the app itself, not the mobile website, because the setting we need lives inside the app. If you haven't updated in a while, updating can help the menus match what you see here. Look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This might be your photo if you've added one, or a colored circle with your initial. Tapping it opens your account menu and the controls for the app. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main preferences area where you can control things like map display, notifications, and most importantly for today, how navigation behaves. Scroll down until you find Navigation Settings and tap it. This section controls everything you hear and see while you're in turn-by-turn navigation, including voice volume, alerts, and Bluetooth behavior. It's the hub for managing how directions are delivered to you on the road. Inside Navigation Settings, look for the option labeled Mute State. Tap it and then select Muted. That's it. With Muted turned on, Google Maps will stop speaking directions out loud. You'll still see all on-screen instructions, lane guidance, and ETA updates so you won't lose your place. If your phone supports haptic feedback or you're glancing at the screen in a mount, you can continue following the route visually without audio interruptions. A couple of helpful notes as you use this. Muting here applies to Google Maps voice guidance only. It doesn't change your overall phone volume or silence other apps. If you later want voice guidance back, return to the same mute state area and switch to an audible option. This is useful if you're driving somewhere new and want hands-free spoken prompts again. If you're already in active navigation and need a faster toggle, you can tap the small speaker icon on the map screen to cycle through sound options including mute. The setting you pick there mirrors what you just changed in navigation settings. That's all you need to do. You've muted Google Maps voice guidance while keeping the helpful visuals. Drive safely, enjoy your music or conversation, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime your needs change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.